Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove reposts on threads. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, open up the Threads app. Now go to your profile page on the bottom left corner. Here you can see the posts that I had reposted. So in order to undo the repost, you just have to click the repost button. And here you can see the remove button and you have to click on it. And that is how you can simply remove reposts on threads. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.